If you're not sure whether you should choose our 2-year Welsh Speaker course or our 6-month Welsh Speaker course, this video will help you. The first important thing for you to know is that they both get you to the same point: confident Welsh conversations. You do not need to worry that one of them is somehow better than the other. They are both guaranteed to get you to confident Welsh conversations. They also both have weekly video support, so even though the 2-year course is a slower process, that doesn't mean that you'll be left out in the cold. There is a wider choice of days for the 6-month support calls, but you don't have to be on every support call anyway. They both have private communities where you can see who else is at the same stage as you are and get fast and friendly support from our tutors and from other learners. The two main differences are both connected to time. The 2-year course is easier to find time for. You only need 30 to 60 minutes a week to do your tasks, where the 6-month course expects you to commit 2 to 4 hours a week. If you're not sure how much time you can put in, then the 2-year course is by far the safer option. And because it's slower paced, the 2-year course is also a much better fit for higher repetition learners. Search for higher repetition learners on YouTube for our advice video. About 5% of our learners need to repeat lessons much more often than other learners, and that means it's very hard for them to keep up with the 6-month course. If you're not sure if you're a higher repetition learner or not, try the first 5 lessons on www.saysomethingInwelsh.com. Just go through them all once each without repeating any of them, but using the pause button as much as you like, and then do lesson 1 again after you've reached lesson 5. If it feels noticeably easier, you are not a higher repetition learner, and the 6-month course will be fine for you. Finally, of course, there's the price difference. The 6-month course is £200, and the 2-year course is £50 a year for the 2 years, so much less of an initial outlay. If that's a key factor for you, go for the 2-year course and don't worry too much about the slower pace. You'll still be going much faster than traditional classes. If you still have any questions about the 2 courses, do please leave a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you feel clear which is the course for you now, the links to them are in the description of this video, or you can just go to www.saysomethingin.com/Welsh and choose there.